Now that you've seen how to add items, remove items, change items within an array list, let's learn how to sort a list. So let's start a new project, and I'm going to call this one ArrayListString Sort. ArrayListString Sort. I'll click on Finish, drop into here, and we'll do a lot of the work you've already seen in the other samples we've shown so far. And we have to create an array list of type string. We'll call it ALTeams equals new array list, and we call the constructor. And then we need to make sure we import the array list. Let's go ahead and manually add items to that array list. We'll add BYU ALTeams.add. We'll add U of U ALTeams.add. We'll add WSU ALTeams.add. We'll add SUU, and let's add one more, ALTeams.add, and I'm going to go ahead and add Alabama. Notice that our last item we added, Alabama, if we sorted this, would probably be at the top. Let's go ahead and create a loop that prints everything out so you can see the order that it prints in. We'll say as long as iCount is less than the array list size, and we'll increment iCount. And then within that loop, we're just going to print off ALTeams.get iCount. And let's do this just so that you know which list is which. I'll put this is the unsorted list, and then we'll print that list out. If I ran that right now, you'd see that it prints off the order that we added the items. I'll close the output window. Now let's come right here and do our ALTeams dot, and now we can see all the methods that we have. These different methods allow us to do different things on that array list. For instance, we've already seen the add method and the remove method, and we've seen the index of method. There's another method that we could use, but this method is actually part of a different class. I would like to be able to say ALTeams.sort, and we do have one, but if you notice, you have to go create something called a comparator. And we're not going to worry about that right now in this class. So instead, I want to make it a little bit easier. And the way you can do this is by using another class that's already built for you. And it's called the collections class. You can say collections.sort, and then you just pass it a list of something. If you notice, let me do that one more time so you can see what sort is looking for. Collections.sort, it's looking for an actual list. Well, guess what? Array list is a list. So I could say sort and specify the array list there, and I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this code. We'll paste it below the sort, and I'll say this is the sorted list. I'm going to add some lines, and so let's run it one more time and see what it looks like. Here's the unsorted list. There's the sorted list, and it sorts it alphabetically. Pretty nice, considering all you had to do was run one statement. And that's how you can sort an array list of string.